going to show you how to drain the coolant off and replace it, and the reason I'm doing this quick intro here is because my camera's broken. I have to hand hold it everywhere, so it's a bit of an awkward video, but it's the best I can do. As you can see, levels are happy, so all I'm going to do, crack that. There we go. And just down here there is a bolt. I'll show you on the Iveco. It's a plastic bolt and it's just there. Can you see that one? Let me point to it. It's a 13mm. Sorry about the shaking, but I broke my camera, my tripod. See that one there? That is a 13mm. So what I'm going to do, because I've previously loosened it, is undo that, loosen that, and there you go. Can you see it coming out now? So I'll leave that now to catch the liquid, and then, as I pointed out, the van is on a nice slant so that the water is running down and the air is coming up, so water will keep going down that way and the air will come up. What I'm doing now is topping it up with clear water. About the same flow as what's coming out, so it flushes the system. What I'm going to do is just fill it up now with clear, and then I'll run the engine again. Right, as you can see, squeezing that pipe now, you can see the water there, it's completely full. Nice clear water, no discoloration at all. So I'll now flush all that out. This is the antifreeze I'm using, as you can see here, withstands -30 up to 125. Stop. Just make sure that it's sealing, not dripping. No dripping on the floor or anything. Nothing happening there. You can hear the air in the system, so keep topping that up now. New coolant is good because it lubricates the water pump, has additives in it which will clean out the deposits which get building up. This coolant has been in there for 2 years, so ready for a change. As you can see now, it's reaching the minimum and up to the maximum. Well, into the middle now, look. Now this will go down. You can hear it now. So we'll work it through the system. You can hear that gurgling around. There. The air coming out of the system there. Squeeze the pipes around so you can feel the liquid and the air. So I'll put some more in now. Stuff I've decanted back into there, and actually you can see it's nice and clear actually. So that means that's good. So it means there's no deposits in the engine that's doing any damage. So get the last of this back in now. You hear that now, the air coming out of the system? I see it's coming up onto here now. I want to do it up to about here. I'll let it rest. There you go. That's where you need to be, up to around that area. So what I'll do now, squeeze all these pipes. See that movement there? That means there's not much air in the system now. Squeeze these pipes here. I'm happy with that. So I've let it stand for a bit, and as you can see there, squeezing that pipe, look there. See, it's liquid that's moving directly. So that means the system is pretty much full. So I'm happy with that. So there you go, that's how to change your coolant. That's another job jobbed.